Alright, greetings, salutations, Doughboy Nation, Johnny Allen Supercar Kid. And guys, I got a huge announcement. I got a new car. I sold the 350, it's gone, and I got a Nissan 370Z. Pretend that you didn't just see my car over there, because that was complete bullshit. This is my man E's car over here. What's up, E? So today, we're gonna be installing, what are they, admin intakes? Or no? Takeda, okay. The big long tube intakes. It's gonna be nice. Oh, they even gave you like a license plate frame. So I have never worked on a 370, but I'm gonna help my boy out, and we're gonna figure this out. It looks like it's like it can't be that complicated, right? The best stuff, the high quality. See, this man doesn't cheap out on his parts like someone ever does. Oh, okay, so we got like a big shared filter in the middle, so we'll meet up in the middle. Okay, this looks really simple. We're gonna see how true that is. It's even inspected. Oh, damn. That's high quality. That's high quality stuff right there. So I haven't looked up any videos on how to do this. The engine's still kind of hot right now, but we're just gonna roll with it. It shouldn't be too bad. I mean, it's the intake, so they'll be like a little warm, but it won't be like hot. So I guess first thing we gotta do is remove this strut bar. Strut bar's probably got like 14 mil bolts on it, because mine has 14 mil bolts on it. And take off these plugs, and then you just gotta unmount these intakes and just get them out of here. False alarm, we actually don't need to take off the strut bar, but we're just gonna start taking off all the clamps and all this stuff. Alright, so we got the front bumper off, we got the intakes out. That was quick. Gotta love working on a Nissan, dude. Like, if it was that car, we'd be doing this still for like another 30 minutes. Our main issue is this right here. Now, I know that 370Z guys have a solution for this, but I'm a 350Z guy, not a 370Z guy, so I have no idea what it is. So I'm gonna figure out something else. But I think what we can do is, I think we can take this part out and do something with it. If not, I can just use a Dremel and just cut inside of there. I don't even know if you guys can see. So yeah, the intake is definitely not gonna fit through that. So we're gonna figure out exactly what we can do. But it's just the coupler that has to fit. So it can like squeeze in, so we can just trim it and that'll still work. We're gonna see. We're gonna undo a few bolts here and there and figure out what's going on. Ooh, that's shiny. Alright, so it started raining, and then I think it might have stopped raining, but it might start raining again, so we just kind of moved inside now. But, alright, we're gonna try to fit. Oh, we figured out a solution for these holes. We just took the headlight out and we're gonna just cut it. So, that should work just fine. It looks like this one goes... Which way? We have to switch the maps over. So we gotta swap the maps over. I may have gotten this stuck in here.
Really?
I may have gotten it stuck.
So we strut bar. So we have to drill it.
No. I just we just gotta take off the strut bar. So because I got it stuck. Yeah. I mean you can get it out, but let's just make our lives easy. I didn't realize how big this damn thing was. Like, I thought it came in more pieces.
This?
Yeah. That.
Yeah,
like,
right.
I thought it was like 3 or 4.
Yeah, this one's huge.
Yeah.
I honestly thought it was gonna go through here.
Honestly, yeah. We caved and we took the strut bar off. It was too hard to do without it. And then I got it stuck in there and it was like, okay, we just gotta take it off. Because now I think we can do this a whole lot faster. We got one of these Johns done. Like, these things, they didn't really give us anything to like do this. Like, we didn't really know exactly what to do, so we just like chopped up one piece a little bit, used a bend, and we just made that one work. Now we gotta make this one work. It's a little bit different. We're not entirely sure how we're gonna do this. we're gonna do this. So the situation that we're dealing with is, so it's gotta go like that, and it's gotta get down to that. We are at an impasse. We got a problem. And you know, I'm here thinking this whole time that our biggest problem is gonna be these intake hoses. And then we actually found out that these actually can just squeeze into that hole, just kind of like just forcing them into there. We were probably still gonna try to cut it anyway, well, at least think about it, but I thought that was gonna be the biggest problem. But no, that was not it. What actually happened, I guess they're like crankcase ventilation hoses or something like that. Like, I'm not even sure, but yeah. The one over here, okay, no, sorry. The one over here worked fine. This one was great. This one, it's a little pinched down here at the bottom, but it shouldn't cause any kind of problem. This one, we have no parts to do it. So we think that E has them at his house. So we're gonna go there and check and then come back. Yeah, hopefully we find it. We're gonna see. If not, we're gonna do a parts run. But yeah. Oh well. Boys, we are back and we have our solution. Look at that. Perfectly bent around. Nice little stock intake pipes. We think it's gonna work. We hope it's gonna work. It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. Now that we got these intake hoses, I'm gonna try to put them on. We still didn't do that one yet, but we cut this one a little bit. We think this is okay. So it's like a little bit restricted there. But you know, I got a C+ in fluid mechanics and hydrology this past semester. And you know what I say? I say this will cause us a little bit more of a head loss, I think is the word. But shouldn't be too bad. Should be okay. And that is my professional, not really, opinion. All right, so we got all of our lines in for whatever those things do. Now we just got to get the intake sleeves on and just finish. Should be good. That should be good. One side is done. Now what I do? Yep. Up. I seem to have screwed my glove into the clamp.
Wow.
My fingers caught in the clamp. Good thing that wasn't my skin. God damn. We're slowly figuring out the front part. Just kind of making the typical errors. Putting stuff on, taking it back off again, putting it back on again. All that jazz. That took a minute, but we got it. So we ditched this whole top mount. We're just gonna run some zip ties through this clamp and then just through this hole, and then just yeah, and that'll be that, and that'll be our mounting solution to that. But then that's it. Then we just gotta put everything back together. We're done. All right, my back hurts. I'm gonna finish this up, boys. It is back together. It is pretty much complete. We gotta button up the bumper a little bit, and then it'll be actually complete. But yeah, it's sick. Long tube intakes. That took forever, but we're finished. We're finished. Well, we're almost finished. All right. Do we hear any leaks? Do we hear any leaks? Do we hear any leaks? Give it a small rev. All right, I don't hear anything out of the ordinary. All right, I think it's good. Oh, is it? a check engine light. Yeah. Oh shit. Well, okay.
Unplug the battery and plug it back in.
We could try that. Okay. If anything, that could just be because the maps could be switched. If anything. Because we actually don't even know. We didn't know that we had to look out for the maps being on the right sides. But I think we should be able to easily reach the maps where they are, so we can switch them around.
Yeah, right. Just like simply reach underneath.
Yeah, just unscrew them. Little screwdriver. Okay. I'm not gonna say this is the end of the video yet, but we're gonna see if we can fix this, and then yeah, okay. Okay, the bumper is secured. Finally, we're gonna reattach the battery. Well, it sounds just fine. Huh? All the lights turned off? Oh my god. Wait, did it?
Yeah.
It really went off? Oh shit. Yo, that's wild. Oh. Fuck. The fuck? Let's go from both sides here.
Push on it.
It's closed now.
There. I guess we're just gonna put the extra sign on.
I guess so. Just needs a little bit of brute force. All right. She's complete. Yo, that is it, guys. That is it. It is complete. If you appreciate the vibes, leave a subscribe. Leave a like if you would like. I'm Johnny Allen. That's E with the 370Z. That's a lot of rhyming that just happened in a span of 45 seconds. But, alright. Peace out, guys, and till next stream.